ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಯೋಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 74ನೆಯ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿವಸದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆವರ್ತನ ಧ್ಯಾನದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಎರಡೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಲಕಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸಂಯಮ ಯೋಗದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಯೋಗಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ತಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಿವೆ. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಯೋಗ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗದ ಆಸನಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮಗಳು, ಧ್ಯಾನದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಆವರ್ತನ ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಇವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕಮೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್. We require some prerequisite practice. These are the two, Sukshma Vyayama and cyclic meditation are the combinations of. So pre-meditative postures, pre-meditative practice like beginners, for beginners and advanced yoga techniques. Sukshma Vyayama are for the beginners. Whereas cyclic meditation is for the advanced practitioners. So while going ahead for the cyclic meditation practice, for the layman or for any yoga sadhakas, we need to have this practice throughout the technique. We need to close the eyes and practice. We need to close the eyes like meditation in the postures and observe. We have to go inside, observe all the changes and go ahead for the completion of the practice. For this, we require a stable body. When you want to make the mind stable, we need to have a stable body. Through this body, we go for the cyclic meditation. So cyclic meditation, a simple technique which needs a stable mind to close the eyes and to go inside and to relax each and every part. You are practicing this to relax the mind. Sukshma Vyayama practices are subtle practices beyond these yogasana practices. This will help us to remove the laziness, lethargy of the joints, strengthens the muscles, ligaments, removes the laziness, lethargy, increases the endurance, improves the immunity, strengthens the lungs. When you practice the Sukshma Vyayama, you need not go for the cyclic meditation, asana practices. When you want to practice the cyclic meditation, if you practice 15 minutes of the Sukshma Vyayama, it will be easy to practice the cyclic meditation. As we know, this is an advanced practice, and especially this technique is to balance the mind. And at present situation, this cyclic meditation will help you to reduce the excessive tension. We know the situation, every people are suffering from stress-related disorders. Practicing at least 30 to 45 minutes of this technique, we can relieve the physical tension, mental and emotional tension. So, To practice the cyclic meditation, on 15 minutes, let us go for the Sukshma Vyayama practices. Sukshma Vyayama, then go for the cyclic meditation. Let me explain what is this Sukshma Vyayama, what all the practices we do in these techniques. Sukshma Vyayama, as I said, these are the subtle practices. Sukshma means subtle, exercise means Vyayama, are the techniques where we use the different parts. The important things to take care of in the practice of Sukshma Vyayama is you need to have the breath awareness, you need to have count in the mind, awareness on the joints. All these things are very important in Sukshma Vyayama practice. Initially, if you don't know how to practice, you have to go with the eyes opened and learn and practice. Once if you are able to know how to practice, then you have to close the eyes and practice. Okay? In the second cyclic meditation technique, we begin the practice with the in Shavasana. In Shavasana, we begin the practices with the prayer in Shavasana. The shloka taken for this cyclic meditation is from the Mandukya Karika. Laye sambodhayet chittam yukshiktam shamayet punaha sakashayam yujaniya samapraptam na chalayi. The technique we use, the stotra or shloka we use in this cyclic meditation is Laye sambodhayet chittam yukshiptam shamayet punaha. When the mind is dull, awaken it, stimulate it. When it is gets stimulated, try to maintain the calmness and allow the mind to go ahead with the calm and quietness. Based on the principle of stimulation and relaxation, we use certain similar simple asanas to continue the cyclic meditation. Ardhakati Chakrasana in standing posture, stimulating both the sides, right hand side and the left hand side. When they get stimulated, then we'll go for the relaxation in the Shavasana, quick relaxation. And then we'll go for the practices like Vajrasana in sitting position and Ustrasana combined with the Shashankasana. Then finally, we end up the session with the deep relaxation technique. So the first step in the cyclic meditation is instant relaxation. After the instant relaxation, we go ahead with the standing position, centering the body, then Ardhakati Chakrasana, standing position, stimulating both the side of the body, then coming to the relaxation part, quick relaxation. Then we go ahead with the sitting positions, sitting postures, Vajrasana, Shashankasana, Ardha Ustrasana, or those who can able to go for Purna Ustrasana, and then deep relaxation, will end up with the Shanti mantra. So let us begin the practice with the normal prayer to begin with the Sukshma Vyayama techniques. So though these techniques needs to close the eyes completely from the beginning of the practice to the end to get maximum and benefits, beginners can go ahead with the opened eyes, see the position, adjust the position, and then continue with the practice with the closed eyes. Those who have learned this Sukshma Vyayama and already practiced the cyclic meditation, they can go with the closed eyes to enjoy the benefit of the fruits of this cyclic meditation. So we'll begin these practices with the 3 Omkaras. Keep your spine upright. Let the whole body relax completely in any position, Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Very simple position. Adopt Chin Mudra or Gnana Mudra on the thighs. Keep your spine upright As we know, the body is most important to practice meditation. We know there are various types of meditation. Meditation on mantras, meditation on chakras, meditation on tantras, so many various types of mantras to concentrate the mind. Every meditation requires stable body. Without stable body, you cannot go ahead with the meditation. So, before commencing the meditation, we need to have a sound body and physical strength. So, even cyclic meditation also requires stable body. Feel that the body is now relaxed completely in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. ನೀವು ಕುಳಿತಿರುವ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಭಂಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಶರೀರ ಈಗ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. Try to watch your physical body with the closed eyes. Check yourself. Check your physical strength. Don't worry about the pain. Initially, you will get pain in the ankles, especially in the waist and the trunk region. Try to concentrate or watch that pain. Once if you get acquainted with the positions, postures, the pain will go away and the body will be relaxed. When you combine with the breathing, you will feel more relaxed. Watch your breathing. Feel the slowness in the breathing. Once if your breathing becomes slow and rhythmic, you will be relaxed more. For this, you need to concentrate your mind on the breathing flow of energy for a few seconds. Feeling the slowness in the breathing, gently shift the awareness on the eyebrow center, visualizing the picture of Om. We visualize the picture of Om in the Agna Chakra. We use Om symbol in yoga practice because as it is the universal mantra. Let us chant the Omkaras with deep breathing. Take a deep breath. नमस्कार मुद्रा. ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Very slowly and gently take back the arms, stretch the shoulders, raise the head up. Exhale slowly and gently, bend the trunk and offer the salutations. Inhale slowly and gently, come up, release the arms. Now very slowly and gently unfold the right leg and the left leg. Come to relaxation posture. Open the eyes. Now we begin the practices of Sukshma Vyayama from the toes. Let me explain this. Toe bending, ankle rotation, kneecap tightening and release. Then we'll go for the half butterfly practice and Shashank half butterfly practice, and then Baddha Konasana or full butterfly practices. Then we'll go for the shoulder rotation. Before shoulder rotation, we'll go for the cradle movement to strengthen our hip joint, and then go for the neck movements. All these practices You can open the eyes after each practice, then see and observe, then continue the practice. But while giving instructions, you have to close the eyes and watch, observe all the changes, and then continue the practices. So let us begin the practices. Come to Dandasana. Dandasana means sitting position, sthiti. Keep your spine upright. Now pull up your ankles. Now we'll begin the practice of toe bending. Bend your toes forward, press the toes as much as possible and release and relax. Now close the eyes. We'll begin the practice. Press the toes. One, release. Press your toes forward, release. Enjoy the pain around the toes. Press the toes, release. Now as you press the toes, exhale and press. Inhale and release. Try to synchronize. Press your toes forward with exhalation. Inhale, release. Exhale and press. Awareness on the bending and breathing. Press the toes, release. Inhale and release, exhale and press. Press as much as possible and inhale. Let the toes get stimulated and simultaneously let the toes relax. Now, after 10 times, stop the practice. Now, apart the heels of feet distance, we'll go for ankle bending. Bend your ankle forward with exhalation as much as possible. Press the ankles down. Inhale slowly and gently. Bring back and release. Exhale slowly and gently. Press the ankle forward. Let the practice be very slow and gentle. Inhale slowly and gently. Release. Exhale slowly. Press your ankles down. Inhale slowly and bring back. Exhale slowly and press your ankles. Let the breathing be very slow. Sukshma Vayamas are a combination of breathing and exercise. Slowly and gently exhale and press the ankle down. Inhale slowly and up. Slowly exhale, slowly press the ankle down. Inhale slowly and gently release. Exhale slowly and gently press the ankle forward. Inhale slowly and gently release. Now stopping the practice, slowly and gently rotate your ankles. Circular motion. Very slowly, only ankles. Rotate your ankles, loosening the ankle joints. Let the practice be very slow. Don't be hurry in the practice. Sukshma Vyayama practices are the combination of exercises as well as breathing. Practice very slowly in the reverse direction. Very slowly feeling the joints. Your awareness should be on the breathing and at the same time rotation. Very slowly 5 rounds each side and stop the practice. Now come to relaxation posture. Relax. Now observe the toes. Feel the changes in the ankles. Close the eyes. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಾಲಿನ ಬೆರಳುಗಳ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ, ಪಾದದ ಹರಡಿನ ಭಾಗಗಳ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. Feeling the lightness as we stimulated the toes and the ankles. All the Vata dosha joints around the joints have been removed. Come to Sthiti once again, Dandasana. We'll go for the kneecap tightening. Tighten the kneecap and release 20 times. Inhale slowly and gently, tighten the kneecap. Exhale slowly and gently release. Let the practice be very slow. Inhale slowly and gently, tighten the kneecap. Exhale slowly and gently release. As you inhale, stimulate, tighten as much as possible, enjoying the pain around the cuff muscles, around the knee joints. Release slowly with exhalation. Don't be hurry. Very slowly and gently practice. Tighten and release slowly. Once again, tighten the kneecap, release. Tighten with inhalation, exhale and release. Try to synchronize your breathing. Very slowly inhale, tighten the kneecap, release. Once again, tighten the kneecap, release. Tighten with inhalation, exhale and release. Tighten, Exhale and release. Inhale, slowly tighten, release. Inhale slowly and gently tighten the kneecap, release. Inhale slowly and gently tighten the kneecap, release. Inhale slowly and gently tighten the kneecap, release. Stop the practice. Now we'll go for the half butterfly practice. Very slowly and gently fold your left knee. Keep your left heel over the right thigh, tighten the right knee. Hold your toes with the right palm, left palm on the left knee. Press your left thigh. Keep your spine upright, tighten the kneecap. Follow the instructions carefully and begin the practice. Inhale slowly and gently, raise your left thigh up as much as possible. Exhale deeply and press your thigh down as if it is touching the floor. Enjoy the pain and inhale slowly and gently, lift your left thigh up. Exhale slowly. Practice very slowly. Press your left thigh down. Inhale slowly and gently, lift your left thigh up. Exhale slowly and gently, press the left thigh down as much as possible. Enjoy the pain around the hip joint. Very slowly and gently inhale up. Exhale slowly and gently, press your left thigh down. Tighten the right knee. Inhale slowly and gently up. Exhale slowly, press your left thigh down. Feel as you are opening the hip joint, removing the blockages around the hip. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly and gently, press your left thigh down. Inhale one more time. Exhale slowly. Exhale slowly. As you exhale, you will feel the relaxation. Stop the practice. Slowly and gently unfold the left leg. Stretch your left leg and fold your right knee. Slowly. Practice very slowly. Now hold your left toes with the left palm. Right palm on the right knee. Press your right thigh down. Take the position. Tighten the left knee, but relax. Don't hold the left knee or don't tense your left knee or the joint. Let the left leg relax completely also at the same time. Your mind also relax. Now inhale slowly and gently, raise your left thigh up as much as possible. Exhale slowly and gently, press the right thigh down the floor. Inhale slowly and gently, raise the right thigh up. Enjoy the moment, awareness on the moment of the right thigh. Press your right thigh down. Good. Inhale slowly and gently, raise your right thigh up. Enjoy the practice. Enjoy the breathing, slow breathing. Press your right thigh down. Inhale slowly, raise your right thigh up. As much as possible, practice according to your capacity. Exhale slowly and gently, press the right thigh down. Keep your spine upright. Inhale slowly and gently up. Exhale slowly and gently, press the right thigh down. Inhale slowly and gently up. Enjoy the pain. Feel the stimulation and relaxation at the same time. Very slowly and gently inhale, raise your right thigh up. Exhale slowly and gently, press your right thigh down. Stop the practice. Slowly and gently unfold the right leg. Let the movement be very slow. Come to relaxation posture. Feel the changes in the toes and the ankles, knee joints and the thigh muscles, hip joints. Feel the relaxed joints. Sukshma Vyayamas, subtle practices in the way of breathing along with the movement of the different part of the body. Now we'll go for the next practice, cradle movement, to strengthen our hip joint, to relax the hip joint more. Very slowly and gently fold your right knee. Bring your left hand under the right leg and right hand under the right thigh. Take the position as if you are practicing moving the cradle. Move your hip joint slowly. Begin the practice. Close the eyes. Relax and move your hip joint slowly and gently. Feel the cradle moving, visualizing that you are moving a cradle. Likewise, you have to move your hip joint very slowly and gently with the cool and happy mind. Practice 10 times, 10 moments, enjoying the practice. Very slowly and gently unfold the right leg. Stretch your right leg. Go for the opposite practice. Fold your left knee. Take the position. Bring your right hand under the right leg. Left hand under the left thigh. Take the position. Keep your spine upright. Now close the eyes. Now begin the practice. Move your hip like a cradle very slowly. Don't move your whole body. Just try to be aware of your hip. ಸೊಂಟದ ಭಾಗದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿರಲಿ. Don't worry about the breathing in this stage. Just move your cradle, move your hip slowly, loosening the hip joint. Powerful practice helps to relax the hip joint. Very slowly and gently stop the practice. Unfold the left leg, come to relaxation posture. Now relax the hip joint. We are stimulating and relaxing once again in the way of cyclic meditation, practicing the Sukshma Vyayama also. At the same time, relaxing the hip joint, feeling the lightness from tip of the toes to the hip. We'll continue the practice. Come to Dandasana. Keep your spine upright. We'll go for the shoulder movement, shoulder rotation, and hip neck movements. Take the position. Now very slowly join the elbows, fingers on the shoulders. Very slowly inhale, slowly raise your both the shoulders up. Exhale, drop the shoulders down. Let the practice be very slow. Inhale, raise your head up. Exhale, slowly and gently drop the shoulders down. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly drop your arms down. Feel the rotation. Inhale, slowly come up, and exhale, slowly loosen the shoulders. Feel the relaxed shoulders as you exhale. As you inhale, try to feel the stimulated shoulders. As you exhale, try to feel the relaxed shoulders. Loosening the shoulders in the reverse direction. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly and gently down. Inhale slowly and gently up. Exhale slowly. You are breathing also very slow and rhythmic. Try to enjoy the breathing at the same time. Don't be hurry. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly drop. Enjoying the practice, relaxing at the same time. Stop the practice. Relaxing the shoulders. We'll go for the neck movement. Keep your spine upright. If you feel the pain, relax for a few seconds and continue. So try to keep the spine. If you want, you can take a support at the hip. You can practice at the support of the wall. Now we'll go for the neck movement. Neck bending, forward movement. Bend your neck so that the chin is touching the throat. Inhale slowly and gently, raise your head up, bend the neck back. Stretching the throat, feel the compressed cervical vertebrae. Exhale slowly. Bend your neck forward so that you can press the chin on the collarbone. Inhale slowly and gently, raise your head up. Practice very slowly. Enjoy the movement. Exhale slowly and gently, bend forward so that you can press. Inhale slowly, raise your head up. Feel the movement. Feel the pleasurable pain around the neck muscles. Enjoy. Exhale slowly, bend your neck forward. Let the movement be very slow. Inhale slowly and gently up. Exhale slowly and gently, bend the neck forward. Let the movement be very slow. Slowly inhale, come to center. Neck bending, bend your neck right side. Very slowly, so that the right ear touches the right shoulder. Inhale, slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly and gently, bend the neck left. Enjoy the stimulation at the neck muscles, right neck muscles. Inhale, slowly, don't stop. Exhale, bend the neck right so that the right ear touches the right shoulder. Feel the stimulated cervical region. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left, very slowly. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck right. Inhale slowly, come to center. Exhale slowly, bend the neck left. Now inhale slowly, come to center. Turn the neck right now. Twist your neck right so that the chin is aligned with the right shoulder. Only neck movement. Inhale slowly, come to center. Practice with breathing. Exhale slowly, turn the neck left very slowly so that the chin is aligned with the left shoulder. Inhale, come to center. Exhale slowly, turn the neck right very slowly and gently. Inhale, slowly and gently come to center. Very slowly twist your neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, slowly turn the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, slowly turn the neck left. Inhale, slowly and gently come to center. Bend the neck forward. Press your chin. Neck rotation, slowly clockwise. Inhale, slowly and gently rotate the neck clockwise. Very slowly and gently. Inhale, raise your head up. Feel the circular motion. Exhale, slowly bend the neck forward. Let the movement be very slow. Slow and gentle. Enjoy the practice. Feel the stimulation. Enjoy the pain around the neck muscles. As you exhale, feel the relaxed neck muscles. Practice 5 rounds clockwise. Very slowly go for the opposite reverse, anti-clockwise. Very slowly. Slowly and gently rotate your neck muscles. Rotate the neck and relax the neck muscles with inhalation and exhalation. As you exhale, bend down. As you inhale, slowly move up. Exhale, slowly bend the neck forward. Inhale, slowly come to center. Stop the practice. Now relax. Relax the neck muscles. Come to relaxation posture. Vishranti Sthitige Bani. Relax the whole body, feeling the lightness in each joint. Sukshma Vyayama, subtle practices, helps to release the tension in the joints. Though the asana helps to strengthen the muscles, but Sukshma Vyayamas helps to remove the excess Vata dosha in the joints, prevents the degeneration of the joints. These are more subtle than the Yogasana practices. If you want to go for meditation, Sukshma Vyayama are the best to practice to release the excess tension in the subtle joints. Come to Dandasana. Now join the heels, keep your both the palms by the side. Now we'll begin the practice of cyclic meditation with the Shavasana, with the instant relaxation. Very slowly and gently with the help of elbows, lie on the back. Very slowly and gently. You are in Shavasana now. You begin the practice with the prayer and then go for the instant relaxation, tightening every joint from the tip of the toes to the top of the head, and then complete relaxation. Continue the practice. Lead and follow this. Laye sambodhaye chittam. Laye sambodhaye chittam. Vikshiptam kshamayet punaha. Vikshiptam kshamayet punaha. Sakashayam vijaniyat. Sakashayam vijaniyat. Samapraptam nachalayet. Now we'll go for the instant relaxation. Join the legs, join the heels, tighten every part of the body as per the instructions, hands by the side. Join the heels, stretch your ankles, tighten every part of the body as per the instructions. Join the legs, stretch the ankles, tighten the toes, tighten the off muscles, pull up the kneecap and release. Tighten the thigh muscles. Compress and squeeze the buttocks. Make a fist. Kainali musti madi. Exhale completely now. Suck the abdomen inside. Inhale slowly and gently. Tighten the elbows, shoulders, neck and facial muscles. Tighten every part of the body, squeezing the facial muscles. Tighten every part of the body. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Release with exhalation. Completely exhale and release the tightened parts. Let go. Collapse the whole body. Let the whole body collapse completely and relax. Observe the breathing or part by part. Relax. Let the whole body collapse completely. Relax. 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 Observe the breathing. Laye sambodhayet chittam. Vikshiptam kshamayet punaha. When the mind is dull and lazy and lethargic, stimulate. When it go ahead and the mind is stimulated, it starts wandering here and there. Calm it down. Once if you get the mind balanced, be there and try to be with the mind. Laye sambodhaye chittam kshiptam kshamayet punaha sakashayam vijaniyat samapraptam na chalayet. Let we stimulate the agitated mind and calm down the mind and try to balance the mind and maintain the same equilibrium throughout the day. This practice helps to release the excess tension. Stress is a common phenomena. When stress becomes excess, we'll get a lot of problems. So in order to release the accumulated tension, physical tension, mental tension, emotional tension, the cyclic meditation is the answer, is the solution for all the class of peoples, including students, corporate employees, doctors, engineers, housemakers. It is a boon to every human being. Enjoying the beautiful, relaxed body, getting ready to practice, continue the practice. Follow the instructions from now onwards. Very slowly we have to practice. Don't be hurry in coming up also. Let the practice be very slow and gentle. Each and every word you have to follow. And from now onwards, you have to close the eyes continuously, just following the instructions, try to go ahead. Very slowly and gently join the heels now. Don't be hurry. Follow the instructions. Take back your right arm. Slowly fold your left knee. Don't be hurry. Once again, I am giving instructions. Slowly turn the body. First turn the body. Take the support with the left palm. Be there. Feel the linear awareness. Just watch the right lateral muscles relaxing completely. Don't be hurry. Follow the instructions. Now very gently as the lateral movement coming up to Vajrasana. Let the movement be very slow as I'm instructing. You are in Vajrasana now and coming up to standing position Tadasana. Very slowly taking the support with the palms, gently and slowly coming up. You are coming to Tadasana very slowly and gently. Keep your face smiling throughout the practice. Join the heels. Close the eyes and we'll begin the practice with the centering of the body. Balancing the body, rotation of the weight to all the part of the body. Now, both the palms by the side of your thighs, join the heels and the toes. We'll go for 4 phases in the practice. Forward movement, leaning the body, leaving the weight on the toes and moving forward. Second, leaning backwards, leaving the weight on the heels, and then moving the body towards the right, leaving the weight on the right foot. and coming to center and slowly moving to the left. Now we'll begin the practice. Slowly and gently move forward. The entire body weight on the toes. Don't be hurry. Slowly and gently feel the entire body's weight on the toes and slowly come to center. Very slowly and gently lean back. Let the weight be on the heels. Lean back as much as possible and slowly come to center. Now we'll move the right portion. Very slowly lean the body right side. Very slowly the entire weight is on the right foot and slowly come to center. Exhale slowly and gently now. Lean the body towards the left. The entire body weight is on the left foot and very slowly and gently come to center. Now the centering is over. The entire body weight is distributed to all the part of the body. To continue the practice, we go for the Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Very slowly and gently. Once again, now keep your face smiling. Begin the practice with the right hand side. Every movement will be in the centimeter movement. Close the eyes. Keep your face smiling. The left palm is on the left thigh. Start moving the right arm up. Very slowly rising the right arm centimeter by centimeter. Don't be hurry. Very slowly and gently you are moving the right arm up. Very slowly and gently moving the right arm up centimeter by centimeter. Watch the movement with the inner eyes. Very slowly feel the heaviness in the right shoulder. Enjoy the pain in each movement. Very slowly and gently moving the right shoulder up. Very slowly, centimeter by centimeter, centimeter by centimeter. Don't be hurry. This is not yoga asana, it is sukshma vyayama. Very slowly and gently moving the right shoulder, right arm up. Very slowly feel the heaviness in the right shoulder. Enjoy the pain. Don't worry about the pain. Let the pain be there. Slowly and gently rising the right arm up. The right arm, right shoulder now is horizontal position. Be there. Enjoy the pain around the shoulders. Feel the heaviness. Don't worry about the pain. Now slowly and gently turn the palm up. Very slowly feel the pointed awareness at the wrist. Very slowly turning the palm up. Slowly and gently start moving the right arm up. Feel that as if you are lifting a weight. You are feeling the movement. Enjoy the heaviness at the shoulder as if you are lifting a weight. Slow movement. Let the movement be very slowly, centimeter by centimeter. Once again, follow the instructions, centimeter by centimeter. Centimeter by centimeter. Your right hand is at 135 degrees. Enjoy the pain, blood rushing towards the shoulders, stimulating the shoulders, enjoying the pain around the shoulders. Don't worry about the pain. Let the movement be very slow and gentle, moving the right arm up. Very slowly, slowly and gently moving the right arm up. Moving the shoulder centimeter by centimeter, enjoying the pleasurable pain around the shoulders. Very slowly and gently moving the right shoulder centimeter by centimeter by centimeter by centimeter. Very slowly and gently now your right arm is at vertical position. Right biceps touching the right ear. Very slowly and gently check yourself with the inner eyes. The entire right arm, right shoulder is at one angle. Touch the shoulder up, up. Now very slowly start bending towards the left. Very slowly and gently stimulating the right hand portion, right lateral muscles. Very slowly and gently. Don't be hurry. Enjoy the stretch of the right hand portion, compressed at the left trunk muscles. Enjoy and be there. Enjoy the stimulation. Don't be hurry. Enjoy the pain around the shoulders, pain around the hip joint, the stretched muscles. Relax. You are relaxing now in the Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Enjoying the position. Stay as long as you can, but be relaxed. No tension in any joint. Withdrawing the effort. following the principle of Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Patanjali Maharshigala Sutra, the Prakara, Stiram, Chiram, Sukham, Asanam. Now very slowly and gently start coming up. Very slowly, don't be hurry, keeping your face smiling. Very slowly and gently coming up. Very slowly and gently coming up. Now your right shoulder is at the left. Very slowly and gently start moving the right arm down. Let the movement be very slow. Don't be hurry. Very slowly moving the right arm down, enjoying the pain around the shoulders. Enjoy the pain. Now your right arm is at 135 degrees. Slowly and gently drop the arm. Don't be hurry. Once again, keeping your face smiling. Very slowly, the right arm is at now horizontal position. Slowly turn the palm. Feel the pointed awareness at the wrist. Start moving the palm down very slowly and gently as the blood rushing towards the tip of the fingers. Feel the tingling sensation. Feel the heaviness. Enjoy the pleasurable pain. Don't worry about the pain. Try to enjoy. Keep your face smiling, relaxed. Enjoy the pain around the shoulders and the tip of the fingers. Slowly moving the arm down. Very slowly, centimeter by centimeter, downward movement. Very slowly enjoying the position. You are moving the arm slowly and slowly. Feel the numbness around the tip of the fingers. As the blood rushing towards the tip of the fingers, you feel the heaviness in the tip of the fingers. Enjoy this. Don't be hurry. Very slowly enjoy each and every moment as you are stimulated and going to relax now. Try to feel the entire right arm is now at normal position. Slowly and gently try to feel all the changes. Compare the right hand portion with the left hand portion now. Feel the relaxed, beautiful relaxed right hand portion. As if you are enjoying the complete bliss and happiness. So you are being relaxed, stimulated, and now you are being relaxing the entire right hand portion. Now we'll go for the opposite side. Let all the movement be very slow. Slowly and gently start moving your left arm centimeter by centimeter, very slowly. Slowly and gently moving the left arm up centimeter by centimeter. Don't be hurry. Close the eyes. Once again, watch the changes. Slowly and gently raise your left arm up centimeter by centimeter, centimeter by centimeter, centimeter by centimeter. Don't be hurry now. Your left hand is horizontal position. Slowly and gently turn the palm up. Feel the pointed awareness at the wrist and start moving up very slowly. Feel as if you are lifting the weight as heavy as you are lifting the weight and slowly raising the left arm centimeter by centimeter. Feel the heaviness. Feel the pleasurable pain around the shoulders. Don't worry about the pain. Continue the movement. Enjoy the movement very slowly, centimeter by centimeter. Feel the tingling sensation. Feel the tingling sensation of the nervous system. Enjoying the position, slowly and gently move your left arm up. Slowly. Now your left arm is at 135 degrees. Feel the numbness. Feel the sensation. Enjoy the sensation. Don't worry about the pain. You are stimulating and relaxing slowly and gently up. You are doing meditation, you are practicing cyclic meditation, cyclicity, very slowly, slowly and gently moving the left arm up, enjoy the pleasurable pain, numbness, tingling sensation, very slowly, centimeter by centimeter. Enjoy the pain around the shoulders once again. Very slowly and gently now your left arm, left biceps touching the left ear. Stretch your left shoulder up. Enjoy the position. Check yourself. The entire left portion is at vertical. to the ground very slowly, stimulating the entire left hand portion. Now start bending, moving your body towards right. Move the trunk right very slowly. Don't be hurry. Let the movement be very slow and gentle. Going right side, very slowly sliding the right palm down the right knee. You are practicing Ardha Kati Chakrasana, stimulating the lateral muscles, hip muscles. Enjoy the position. Be there. Relax. Withdraw your effort. Stiram, Chiram, Sukham. Stiram means comfortable, stable, steady. And Chiram, steady mind. Enjoying Ananda, Stiram, Chiram, Sukham. You are enjoying the Ardhakati Chakrasana with complete bliss and happiness. Enjoying the pain. Stay there, be there as long as you can. Don't worry about the pain. Forget the pain. Tato dvandva anabhigataha. There will be no dualities in the mind. Ananta samapatibhyam. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಭಗವಂತನಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Very slowly and gently. Coming up, start moving centimeter by centimeter. Don't be hurry. Keep your face smiling. Slowly and gently moving up, centimeter by centimeter, centimeter by centimeter. Your left hand is at vertical position. Very slowly start moving the left arm down. Don't be hurry. Let the movement be very slow and gentle. Slowly moving the left arm down. Very slowly. Now your left arm is at 135 degrees. Enjoy the pleasurable pain in the shoulder. Slowly moving the left arm down. Now very slowly, centimeter by centimeter. Now your left arm is at horizontal position. Slowly and gently turn the palm. Feel the pointed awareness. Don't be hurry. Keep your face smiling. Enjoy the stimulation. Slowly drop centimeter by centimeter, moving the left arm down. Slowly and gently. Slowly moving the left arm down. Feel the heaviness. Feel the tingling sensation around the tip of the fingers. Feel the sensation. Feel the heaviness of the left shoulder. Don't worry about this. Enjoy. Feel the heaviness around the shoulders, tip of the fingers. Feel the numbness. Feel the heavy in the tip of the fingers. Blood rushing towards the tip of the fingers. Don't worry about the pain. Slowly dropping the arm centimeter by centimeter, centimeter by centimeter, centimeter by centimeter. Moving the left arm down very slowly, slowly moving the left arm down, 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 down. Now your left arm is at the normal position, Samasthiti. Now feel the beautiful bliss. Relax the left hand portion. Compare with the right hand portion. You have been stimulated and relaxed the right hand portion. The same is happened with the left hand portion. Try to feel the complete relaxed body now. No pain around the shoulders. You have been relaxing now. Now we'll go for the next phase of the practice, enjoying the practice. To relax more, we'll go for the quick relaxation technique. Don't open the eyes. Let the eyes kept closed throughout the practice. Now we'll chant one Brahmari. Take a deep breath. Now very slowly and gently bend the knees. Very slowly, don't open the eyes. Let the palms run around the knees, bending the knees. Very slowly and gently, you are coming to the sitting position. Let the movement be very slow and gentle. You are coming to Vajrasana. Close the eyes, don't open the eyes. Follow the instructions. You are in Vajrasana. Be there for few seconds. Feel all the changes. Don't be hurry. Let the practice be very slow. As the name it indicates, cyclic meditation, avartana dhyana. Now very slowly and gently unfold the right leg, very slowly, and unfold the left leg, coming to relaxation position very slowly and gently. Don't be hurry. With the help of elbows, gently lie on the back, folding the elbows very slowly and gently lie on the back. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲಗಿ. You are in Shavasana now. Go for the quick relaxation technique. Apart the legs and hands. Let the entire supine part of the body is resting on the floor. Cyclic meditation gives maximum benefits than the supine rest, than the Shavasana. It is very important practice as it stimulates and relaxes, gives sound sleep and relaxation. So let us enjoy this quick relaxation technique very quickly. Bring your awareness on the navel center. Allow the body to completely settle down. Check yourself, all the joints resting on the floor. Bring your awareness slowly on the navel center. Just watch the movement of the navel center, first phase of the quick relaxation technique. There are three phases in the practices. One is observation of the abdomen muscles movement. Second is associate this movement with breathing. Third is breathing with feeling. So, three phases of the practice gives you quick relaxation. Now we'll go for the first phase of the practice. Rising and dropping the navel center naturally. Just try to feel the movement of the abdomen muscles, how it bulges up and how it sinks down. Now count the numbers. 10. Rise or feel the movement of the abdomen muscles up and try to feel the movement of the abdomen muscles down. 9. Just a natural movement, voluntary movement. 8. Just follow the movement of the abdomen muscles, how it bulges up and down. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Now we'll go for the second phase of the practice. Associate your breathing with the abdomen muscles movement. As you inhale, try to feel the movement of the abdomen muscles up. As you exhale, slowly feel the abdomen muscles move down. As you inhale, synchronize and associate your breathing with the movement of the abdomen muscles. And slowly exhale, slowly. As you exhale, try to feel the abdomen muscles goes in. As you inhale, observe muscles bulges like a balloon. As you exhale, feel the abdomen muscles goes in. Synchronize your breathing with the abdomen muscles movement. Don't miss even a single breath. As you inhale, try to feel the movement of the abdomen muscles up. As you exhale, feel the abdomen muscles sinks down. Very slowly, once again, observe as you inhale, feel the movement of the abdomen muscles up. As you exhale, feel the abdomen muscles sinks down. Now shift your awareness slowly on the tip of the fingers. Breathing with feeling, third phase of the practice. Try to feel all the changes as per the instructions. Now, as you inhale, feel the cool air enters the tip of the nostrils, going to the lungs via the throat. As you exhale, feel the warm carbon dioxide coming away from the tip of the nostrils. Inhale slowly and gently. Feel the tip of the fingers. Feel the tip of the nostrils as you inhale. Cool air enters, going inside the lungs via the throat. As you exhale, slowly feel the warm carbon dioxide coming away from the tip of the nostrils. As you inhale, feel all the positive energies going inside. As you exhale, feel all the negative energies coming away from the mind and the body. Feel the positive energies entering into the mind and the body. As you exhale, you are throwing away all the negative emotions. Feel as you inhale the positive energies like love, compassion, contentment, happiness. As you exhale, feel all the kama, krodha, lobha, mada, matsarya, all the negative thoughts coming away from the mind. You are developing positive energies as you inhale. You are throwing away all the negative energies, emotions away from the mind as you exhale. Feel the energized body as you inhale. Feel the relaxed body as you exhale. Feel the energized body as you inhale. Feel the relaxed body as you exhale. Now try to feel the lightness in the whole body and bring your awareness on the navel center. Let us chant one Omkara. Before continuing the practice, take a deep breath. Very slowly and gently feeling the vibrations of Omkara join the heels. Let all the movement be very slow once again. Slowly and gently take back the right arm. Fold the left knee. Don't be hurry. Let the movement be very slow. Turn the body right side once again. Be there. Don't hurry. Enjoy the linear awareness. Contact area between the body and the floor. Be there and relax. Don't be hurry. Keep your face smiling. Very slowly and gently start coming up. Very slowly and gently. Let the movement be very slow. Very slowly you are coming to the Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently. Don't be hurry. Let the movement be very slow and gentle. Now you are in Vajrasana, keeping the palms, both the palms and the thighs. Keep your face smiling. Feel all the changes taking place inside the body and the mind. Enjoying every moment. Now very slowly and gently you are in Vajrasana. We'll go for the Shashankasana practice and Ardha or Purna Ustrasana practice. Now, watching all the changes, very slowly and gently take back the arms. Very slowly and gently taking back the arms, holding the right wrist with the left. Hold the right wrist with the left. Touch the shoulders. Inhale, slowly raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently move the body forward. Don't be hurry. Very slowly and gently moving the body down. First, let your abdomen rest on the thighs. Feel the surface awareness going, bending down. Very slowly. Don't be hurry. Very slowly feel the surface awareness on the thighs, abdomen muscles touching the thighs, bending the body slowly and gently, very slowly, slowly and gently, resting the forehead, relax the shoulders, very slowly and gently, observe all the changes, feel the heaviness, blood rushing towards the head, be there and relax. Let us chant Makara in this position. Take a deep breath. Very slowly and gently, feeling the vibrations of Makara.
Inhale slowly and gently come up. Don't be hurry. Let the movement be very slow and gentle. Very slowly coming up, centimeter by centimeter. Once again, you are coming up, centimeter by centimeter, very slowly and gently. Your eyes kept closed, very slowly and gently. Coming towards the Vajrasana, releasing the hands, both the palms and the thighs. Once again, relax. Observe the changes very slowly and gently. Feeling all the changes will go towards the practice of Ardha Ustrasana. Don't open the eyes kept closed very slowly and gently. Stand on the knees. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Very slowly and gently or in the kneeling on the knees. Very slowly and gently keep your both the palms by the side of the thighs. We are going to practice Ardha Ustrasana. Those who are able to go for the Purna Ustrasana, they can practice very slowly and gently slide the palms. Let the movement be very slow. Slow and gentle movement, very slowly sliding the palms at the back. Turn the palms now. Take the firm support. Both the palms supporting your back. Bend the neck very slowly. Bend the trunk back. Let the movement be very slow and gentle. Very slowly and gently pushing the abdomen forward. You are in Ardha Ustrasana now. Bending the neck back. Enjoy the position. Enjoy the movement. Very slowly, if possible, you go for the Purna Ustrasana. If not possible, be there in Ardha Ustrasana and be there and relax. Chant one Akara in the position. Take a deep breath. Feel the vibrations of Akara. Akaರದ ತರಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾ very slowly and gently coming up. Slowly, don't open the eyes. Stand on the knees. Be there. Relax. Observe all the changes. Blood rushing down the head region. Very slowly and gently. Close the eyes. Don't open the eyes. Enjoying the position. Very slowly and gently coming to Vajrasana. Let the movement be very slow. Don't be hurry. Very slowly and gently you are resting your buttocks on the heels, coming to Vajrasana. Let the movement be very slow and gentle, observing all the changes once again, stimulating the back and the trunk muscles and the neck muscles. Very slowly and gently unfold the right leg and left leg. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಚಾಚಿ. Let the movement be very slow in relaxation also. You are in relaxation position. Now we'll go for the deep relaxation technique. ದೀರ್ಘವಾದ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ. Very slowly and gently come to Dandasana. Resting the palms very slowly and gently with the help of elbow. Lie on the back slowly and gently. Slowly and gently. You're in Shavasana now. Allow the body to settle down completely. Let the whole body collapse. No tension. Check yourself. Once again, you are going to practice deep relaxation technique. Become aware of the whole body now. You are going to relax deeply in 3 phases. One is relaxing the lower parts, chanting 3 times Akara, relaxing the middle part, chanting 3 times Ukara, relaxing the head region, chanting 3 times Makara. In order to relax deeply, we chant 3 times Omkara and merging the mind with the
vast blue sky, enjoying the beautiful bliss and happiness at the end of the practice. Let us try to go ahead. Bring your awareness slowly on the tip of the fingers. Move the tip of the fingers. Sensitize the soul. Give moment to ankles. No tension in these joints. Collapse. Feel the relaxed toes on the ankles. Slowly moving the awareness on the cuff muscles. Feel the relaxed cuff muscles. Bring your awareness on the knee joints. Bring your awareness on the back of the knees. Just try to watch. Don't be hurry. Once again, bring your awareness on the thigh muscles. Feel the relaxed thigh muscles. Move the awareness on the buttocks, hip joint. Try to relax the hip joints. Just watch the lower part of the body from the tip of the toes to the waist. In order to give deep relaxation to these, let us chant 3 times Akara. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Slowly and gently bring your awareness on the middle part of the body, feeling the lightness in the lower part of the body. Move the awareness on the abdomen muscles, lower back. Relax the middle back. Relax the rib cage muscles. Relax the upper back. Feel the lightness in the shoulders. Relax the shoulder blades. Bring your awareness on the elbows. Relax the upper arm. Bring your awareness on the lower arm. Relax the palms. Feel the tip of the fingers. Feel the lightness in both the arms. Enjoying the beautiful relaxed middle parts. Let us chant 3 times Ukara to relax deeply. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. Feel the beautiful relaxation in the middle part. Check from the tip of the toes to the throat. Feel the lightness in the lower part and the middle part. Gently shift your awareness on the head region.
Bring your awareness on the throat, chin, lips. Feel the gap between the lips. Enter into the mouth. Watch the tongue. Feel the relaxed jaws. Feel the throat coming out of the mouth. Feel the relaxed cheeks, relaxed ears. Bring the awareness on the tip of the nostril. Feel the cool air going inside. Feel the exhalation. Feel the respiration. Very slow and rhythmic breathing. Move the awareness on the eyeballs, eyebrows. Feel the forehead. Relax the top. Feel the back of the head. Relax the neck muscles. Feel the entire head region relaxing completely. In order to relax deeply, let us chant 3 times Makara. Take a deep breath. Feel the vibrations of Makara in the head region. Feel the beautiful relaxed head region. Observe the whole body from the tip of the toes to the top of the head. Feel the beautiful relaxed body. Let us go for the chanting of 3 times Omkara to relax deeply. Bring your awareness on the navel center. Take a deep breath. Om. 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 Feel the vibrations of Omkara, relaxing deeply. Feel the lightness of the whole body, relaxing totally. Feel the body is floating in the air. Feel the lightness of the body. Feel as if it is floating in the air. Relax. 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 Relax totally. Relax. Relax completely. Relax. Feel the beautiful mind separating from the body, watching the body from the top of the roof. Watch your body lying on the ground like a dead body. Mind is going away from the body, merging in the vast blue sky. Feel the vast blue sky. Feel the all pervasive awareness. Feel the 3D awareness. Enjoying the bliss. Enjoying the happiness. Enjoy the freedom. Wow, what a beautiful bliss and happiness. Yoga means happiness. Yoga means bliss. You are in a state of beautiful bliss and happiness. Enjoying the beautiful bliss, enjoying the 3D awareness, all pervasive awareness. Slowly and gently now, from the vast blue sky, your mind is out of the yoga hall, waiting your directions to enter. You are giving permission to the mind to enter. Your mind is entered now into the yoga hall. From the top of the roof, your mind is watching the body. Your body is lying on the ground like a dead body. Very slowly and gently, the mind start coming down to merge with the body. Now the mind is merged with the body. Feel the beautiful relaxed body charged with the positive energies. Your body is charged with the positive energies. Have a glance on the surrounding of the body. Feel the body once again charged with the positive energies. Feel the beautiful relaxed body now. Becoming aware of the body, slowly and gently slide the elbows, hands up towards the head region, along with the surface, along with the ground. Take back the arms and stretch the shoulders now. Very slowly stretching the shoulders up. Slowly and gently bring the hands down the surface, along the ground, moving the elbows and the hands down. Very slowly start moving the toes. Gentle movement to the toes, fingers. Slowly give movements to the neck, head, right and left. Move your legs right and left, turning the head right and left. Feel the beautiful body charged with positive energies and relaxed beautifully. Feeling the lightness of the body now. Don't worry about anything. Join the heels. Slowly take back the right arm. Fold the left knee. Now slowly turn the body. Don't be hurry. Once again, continue the techniques. Slowly come towards the right. Take the support of the left palm. Left leg over the right leg. Very slowly with the support of the elbows and the palms. Don't open the eyes. The movement be very slow. Very slowly you are coming to Vajrasana. Very slowly and gently you are coming to the end of the session in the Vajrasana. Adap Namaskara Mudra. We'll go for the Shanti Mantra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामय सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति 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 Very slowly and gently take back the arms, touch the shoulders, raise the head up. Holding the right wrist, the left, very slowly bend the trunk forward. Offer the salutations to all the sages. As yoga for the mind and the body. Very slowly and gently come up. Very slowly, don't open the eyes. Release the arms, slowly and gently rub the palms. Very slowly and gently creating the warmth. By your energy in the palms, rub the palms. Slowly and gently keep the cup over the eyes. Very slowly, gently massage over the eyeballs, cheeks and chin. Very slowly and gently. Now, bend your neck down. Open the eyes with few blinkings. Very slowly, slowly and gently. Watch the palms, feeling the energy. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थितिये गौरी प्रभाते करदर्शनम हरि ओम तत्सत हरि ओम तत्सत हरि ओम तत्सत ओम शिवार्पणमस्तु ओम नमः शिवाय Very slowly and gently once again massaging the eyeballs. Slowly and gently open the eyes. Thank you very much.